Put a regular aqua-stat on here. Control burner from here, run power into here. Probably control indirect tank. I'm trying to think. If I add regular aqua-stat here, then you have your circular zone controller. So TT can go for that control and then end switch like it already is. And you got one thermostat wire, which must be the total input, whether heating or hot water. So I mean, it ain't all that darn bad to hook that up. And I don't see an outdoor sensor. I don't think there is one for this. So you're really not losing anything or changing anything. Yeah, I think that's the best bet. Just throw an aqua-stat on, aqua-stat on. That can't be too bad.